Okay.
To the system record.
Fine.
Okay. Thank you. Sorry, I'm in the Bharat sector.
Okay.
All the best. Me, road body.
Okay. Okay. Screen free share correctly. Screen sharing is still visible, right?
Yes,
Screen?
visible, Surya.
Yes. Okay. So, okay. On the variable manati, say consider it as a on the box mari consider kello. The box name avikin, kaipana dilwai. That name is called a variable. The box bithar avikin, we can put some values. We can use it. We can use it in our computation. We can keep reusing it or reassigning it to a variable change ke layer y. So the fundamental unit of any programming language will be a variable. That is how we store, how we access, how we compute or do anything. Variable hinata programming languages on the computation kenna on the meaningful programming language on the purpose solve kenna manati variables are fundamental. Assignment manati illa variables setha illa box bithar mi onda tavariya taga illa operation now is assignment. So me on the A equal to 10 many manati. This operation is called as assignment. Tele mari data types. Data types manati, it is again a fundamental concept where me kolla programming language khalati many data types many high. So me on the computation karatolo, number compute kerwai, ni on the letters compute kerwai. Here we can know on the for example, yes or no many questions compute kerwai. Here we can collection of items on the box bithara we can know say me on the number thawai on the letters combination of letters words thawai. Here we can know yes or no thawai. So kona the programming language by default we can under the support correct. Most of them are within numbers are high, words are high, yes, no, manaria items high. Objects as ki ami jada we can sickle why, but these are the data types. Telakolla type manaria avikino avanga kalana. Developers avikin computer dal sangwai to illa operation karatolu illa type hati illa mari operation kenna. Reassignment avikin konin. Avikino on the box on the number assign ketri amnati. Piri tella hetti dusra number karta. Nihi avikino dusra word tavta. Nihi tella variable avikin repurpose kelate as reassignment. Calling manati ata on the program kavikin me execute karanjaria or on the set of on the 10 lines at the me avikin call karanjaria manari execute karanjaria. On the set of 10 lines, function many on the group of lines of code on a function many mental. The function normal can execute career, call career in calling. Scope covering and scope manaria we can know on the variable set the line of code the kai value set manarias on the scope many out. But first day we will talk about scope at a later point of time. Debugging manaria normal. Ado any problem solve karatolu code tappu horiya manaria dekidera. Konnini ada begin nonga motor tairasi motor ikka ghedi daite many pani bhararani manati onta pumpum airlock hoirai pellaji sava pumpum airlock hoirani ni korti pipe abikino futti pani korti jar hai ji sava pipe konni futti rani. Here we can ground mu panir hana. Tella we can onta misava. On the motor type pani avarani. He pani we can takere sajaras manati. We can kaiger manati. On the third code prachana hoi. The Askithenga on the current on the bulb on karasmana bulb fuse rasya saria. Wiring correct sayam saria. Current first avarasya. Current main monga saya. Lines aski correct saya. Correct dirasya many. In the process of on the problem solve karanjaratolo tella correct ami expect karare mari foreign phone atal check karare items aski debug. We will debug what is happening to solve this problem, why it is not doing the expected item. The concept is called debug. Execute manaria running a program. If me on the program run kanna manaria me execute mendo run manati mini same. So me on the developer will run this program or execute a program nadi tana illa heading no run keri output kayagi talla. Compile ami vadakethriya. We will compile it to machine code or we will try to run the program or compile out. Save manaria அவங்க கம்ப்யூட்டர் ஆல்ரெடி ami work kelledadi anything atonda file save kenna manatimi save karadiya tella hard drive unji avanga store kaddu return manariya kayam nati me undadi mana mari calling manariya on a set of group of items so tella we can on the operation ketti return karadiya so we can return so me on the menu ku thoi on the kaam karadiya ji we can illa item illa departmental store ji illa khalli avi many on the way dhadari amnati then items aski khalli kin ata zepto aski avare kin ha then we can return karare kai then kai value on the return karare tella function tega de instructions ko then tella ski instructions aski musatti final kan on the value de kai tega now is return so atami on the function on the assign karare amnati then kai return karare aski tella return parameters manati me there instructions ko illa parameters so other for example our anga we can on the if we have someone to buy something from our stores other we can I'll tell to him that buy 1 kg of rice 2 kg of vegetables so 3 kg of xyz 5 liters of something so illaski we can parameters to that set of instructions. So parameters machati avanga we can result machai. So illa kai kona illaga me free avengen but these are parameters. So on the instructions there manati me parameter am thawli tella parameter machata avanga we can return avatal tella value many tagartumi parameter dedanam machai parameter and arguments are same. Arguments manati same is parameter manati same is on the process karatalo we will be giving the arguments input and output tunga already kalai input manariya ami computer theory instruction output manariya tele instructions aski process keri avanga result areas out complexity ami next classes am seeing but illays avikin basic on the 15 terms manatolo ami next use karatalo ami variable manava assign ketriya manava run karariya manava illa mama anguro vayasti sata loops sata tella aski ami jada vikino sickle by but any developer will have a basic understanding of what is this so illa terms aski avikin then daily vata karariya terms can buy me ata mar office bitar chetaru illa mari on the dictionary of words mu ami tella mamu vata kelluva so भराड़ी आइकरे तंगे ताई वतकरड़े कोन्नी इवर कोडरन्ना मनी भाई इल्ल सेती आमी इल्ल मारी टर्म्स मो वतकरर हवा इल्ल डू वी कैन डीबगिंग केले सता इल्ल वी कैन कोड केले सता इल्ल वी कैन मी इल्ल वेरिएबल्स उंडो इश्यूज सता डेवलपर टू डेवलपर वतकरतल on a language high developer to me more manager report करतल मी तगे इवर पडरे मारी on language वतकरलो so these are the common terms that is used in your any programming language developer to developer. Okay. I'll give a pause. Yelantu kaiti doubts or clarifications pajapadari illa kono illa kaya.
Nee purunjarasda.
Okay. So next we can okay. So to me, 1 second. So more understanding avikino, Askithenga avikino. Illa Python ID menariya download keri. the Python IDE we can download carry install carry through run many melria. Suppose kenna jeti me illa we can chat tausu to me download carry to the computer mo install kelduvai. ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೊನಿನಿ तुम्ही थोड़ा ये डाउनलोड देती तुम्ही कोल्ला ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम यूज करे की the community edition many under high full fledged professional or free community मिलती तुम्ही ಇದೆಲ್ಲ डाउनलोड करी तुम्ही install केल्डिया मनती ತುಂगा ವಿಕಿನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ವಿಕಿನ್ ತುಂगा ಲೋಕಲ್ ತುಂगा ಅಪಡೆ ಓಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲರ ನಾತನು under 2-3 minutes spend carry maybe ಕೆಲತಮ್ ಸೇರ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ तुम्ही ही सिस्टम ಸತಮನ ಕೆಳಡು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಮಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಕನ್ ಕೋಡ್ಸ್ ನಿಪತ್ ಸೊ ही बेसिक सिंटैक्सेस ఉంది आम्ही हरमन करी प्रोसीड केलं बाय ಇಲ್ಲ ಲಿಂಕ್ मी विकिन ग्रुप ಇಲ್ಲ और Zoom chat में विकिन प्रोवाइड करते हैं ओके सो ओके I'll consider everyone has this particular ID download carry he download कर रहा ना next time download carry किनो ready kan थोड़ो go open carry सावो इल्ला माम कोना files create करता हूँ project create करता हूँ कि वेन basic करना भाई any software मैं open करती हूँ folder open हो रहा है मादरी भाई आमी अभी किना तो next basic syntaxes Python related basic syntaxes का है next जवाब so Python language specific manati Python language again it's a case sensitive language so case sensitive language anakaya nanti unga atha on commands atha on keywords atha manati keyword kaya many also keyword manati on set of reserved words so language many set keywords so tella kaapchi tisani theoria manati on high level language many avatavalu avanga illa words illa kaamu kerai ega tavirthu dusra illa avatavalu dusra third on variable kan ki ni avara halti avikin dusra purpose ki use karta musa hona mana kuchi keywords mana riyat kol riya so tumi on keyword avikino dusra purpose kuchi use karta try karati unga avikin tella error kanus avikin ega so for example atami avikino on variable set that me illa variable avikin for mana riya on keyword for mana riya detisi illa code avikin avanga run karta kodna tella kai manai the invalid syntax minimentai nihina jeti illa ji machati kamus run ho rahe mari ave so always keywords are very specific to a particular action on the programming language kalati there are lot of keywords the keywords list me go search karati avdai ni aja python related keywords me share kars so the print many on the keywords sangatolu understand for understanding print mana kaya many Python already kalai hai I mean we can by the word I mean sangwai okay illa we can kaiti print karan jare amati le mari to me we can Python compiler mo bitar print mana kai genna mana riya already defined kittina tele mari for mana kai genna while mana kai genna these are some of the keywords which is predefined to a programming language so tunga keywords many seti illa skia mi siklan jariya si illa if else illa for no illa while illa skia we can on purpose the keywords so to me illa keywords we can dusra purpose we can use kartam suna to me Python many audia Python siklan jariya nati illa keyword jada me we can sikal do but illa keyword we can dusra purpose use kartam suna it is defined for a particular purpose and it will do only that tella we can our hal machatam So teles keywords. The basic syntax many jadare manati. I mean first Python is a case sensitive. Case sensitive manatolu. The keywords are there. The keyword me print many day illa khalna. Illa print not defined many outai. Ina jethi unga actual can I run karati print hello many avna padiya. And case sensitive language halti print avikin khalna. Illa case sensitive avikino, for example, to me at a manari on the variable, it goes value 1000. Tele mari manari angun the variable on the value 1000. So illa diya avikino Python porthavaraikum illa diya avikin different storage spaces, different boxes. So capital A mo 13 seta, small a mo 10 seta. Isn't avikin full avikin atami and A badalu me Apple many declare karasi manati illa diya avikin different items. Python avanga avikin diya apples, but Python porthavarikum the avikin diya dusra. Tella avanga go ami print keri sana. We print carry sana nothing many. Ami silver. Illa ye mana kaya. Many silver. Or sorry. Illa ye mana kaya many silver. 10 many sangarasi. Illa ye mana kaya. Okay. Print we can konini. It's a command to print whatever the values. Tunga illa console illa run karatolu. Unga we can illa print for it. So to me ID download carry and a file create carry. Illa mamu tunga jugo options highly. Normal ko not a file create kill y. Tell a file open karati. Tunga yeda we can run debug many away. Debug ami halchat jenganu. Illa run manariya click karati. Illa current file we can tunga run hoi. Tunga output away. Illa mari tumi illa file click carry illa run karati. Illa file click carry. Tunga output kayaki. Tell coming back to this. So illa within Python is a case sensitive language. Take a next to normal there are programming languages where we can declare on a variable manati. These are programming languages in corner high manati. Declare pajamna kilwai. So JavaScript American, for example, comment control. So let A many digino A equal to 10 manare madri declare kennapadai assign kennapadai. So tevel kai vemanti first one space ami create kelduva. Then next the space we can kayam in declare kelduva. There are some programming languages to me kai kennamanati. First me variable manare badalu on a box. I'll refer to a box. You create a box first. You tell the language what type of items you will put inside that box, and you will put those types of items. So for example, me A many on the box create karati. I will say A many box me words tavu many mentako words tavu many sangati kamu me want on the word kana debtar taidu me A many box me numbers tavu many me sangati amnati. I'll go ahead and I'll start storing numbers in that particular variable. So there are programming languages which is that kind of typed manatolo. To me first declare karatolo. If I say this box is going to contain only words, the system will understand, okay, words matumo allow kenno. Numbers have allow karamana. When you understand. Numbers, if I create a box that will store only numbers, it will understand, okay, this box should have only numbers. We cannot put words inside it. Many understand clearly. When I say words, hello is a word. The quotes with the strings many maneuver. Strings manaria, me future classes some strings many refer karasu. For today, it will be word. And illa we can have number. Number mo decimal points of numbers at the complex number as ki seta. Adha godi direct on the whole number kalriya. 10 is a number. So there are languages illa mari strict kan many why hina jeti ami direct create karata walosi on the value did why. So tela direct create karata value there hati python kai mentano declaration is not needed minimum variable declaration avikin kartanako on the box create keri tela box bhitar tavata d line kartanako apple mini on the holding apple equal to 10 minute detanako tumi direct detolosi apple kaayaki tela deedvagi many tela mari amiyamikinu direct value avikin assign kertva operation assign tele madri illa avikin dynamically typed minimum. So I mean just before some time me vata keller hatolu me kaayam enemanti oda box number mattumo tavatam seymana words tavatam sona words mattumo tavatam seymana number tavatam samanimana ana python avikin dynamically typed minimum tikino et kai hoyi apple equal to me avikin illa mari oda word mini style by. So ilavam kaayam enemanti illa number kan bheti number khaldai to be direct word kan bheti illa word kan mini assign kallai illa we can dynamically type to me kona panna tella variable ka we can kolla type of data type pana assign kelluvai manariya madri unga avai data types mini saatolu avanga illa file tumi saatolu avanga on numbers on floating numbers on complex numbers on the string me manariya word string mentan true or false 1 0 manariya we can boolean mini mentan angu jugo advanced types we can seta but atagadi hinda basic we can these are the base data types to for python. So variable amisitriya variable etamari data types ithiriya I mean developer language ithiriya data types mu jugiya sata data types avatolu variables avatolu mutability immutable mutable mini sata complex binary data types ski sata teleski ami jada siklu vai but hindaku illa illesa vikin eke. So angu onte on the kai savai many manati ami avikin compilation interpretation many dia vadakaraya starting of the class. So tella ami go try keri savai. So atami hello mentriya illa 1 illa 2 illa 5 illa 6 illa on the basic programs konni hi test mattam karanjariya adami print kartol mokona avras manati hello 2 3 4 5 6 full audio. So illa we can run Katriya without any issues. Okay. Ata say for example me we can moga ye don't print t badalu me t mini devaya. So ata kai hoyi illesi print t manariya error tela kai karai not defined manai did you mean print illa skiro intelligence sariya normal kan illa line error seta ana ami notice keri seti illa full run hoikino illa line mos error seta manariya sangaria line 9 lay for example illa line within line 4 hadireti tunga hello avrai hello to avrai but illa line avatar error mini sangitara line 4 error. So illa interpreting mini sangata on the example avitino compile manati run kartamdadi sangitrai illa tunga prachana satan. Since this is interpretation, it executes line 1, it understands line 2 is empty, it executes line 3 and it understands line 4 has an error and throws an error. Tunga line 7 8 9 avikino execute hoihana. So illa 3 lines avikino illa line error sata halti ega mundari hode ski execute hoyariya ega halchate sate ski execute horiya. So illage avikino compilation interpretation difference but python portha varaikum it will always be line by line execution. and illa isani avikin behave kare kolla tham error avaraski tella tham avikin code avikin avanga barada execute panata barada. So illa mamusi ami avikinu debug kenna ni kolla tham error avarasi tella aski avikin illa error kona handle karta aski avikin ami next silva. But these are the basics, programming basics. So language manakaya, so illa manakaya, and developer language manakaya, data types ada. Next जाता है आम्ही इला मामा ऑपरेटर्स सवाई अंगु दुसरा काय बेसिक सिंटॅक्स कोणता अंगु काय सवाई म्हणती कोणता प्रोग्रामिंग लँग्वेज एव्हरी प्रोग्रामिंग लँग्वेज विल हैव समथिंग कॉल्ड अ कमेंट. So अला कमेंट डिफरेंट टाइप्स माविती ना अंगु नोट करा पाइथान आता कमेंट म्हणती त्याला लाइन अविकिनो कंपेयर करना आता इंटरप्रेट करना आता इग्नोर करता है. कमेंट म्हणते कागज येता म्हणती आता उन्हें प्रोग्राम लिखी रासी उन्हें 10 लाइन्स लिखी रासी तर 10 लाइन्स काय करन या मेनी लिखर या तुम्ही लिखर ना तुंगा इवर पडाई बट इला कमेंट काय कराय म्हणती तो मी काय करू म्हणती आता मी उन्हें प्रोग्राम लिखन जा रही है म्हणती मी इला मादरी this function will add 2 numbers when it goes on the denotation data. This means nothing to the computer. उनका विकिन इल्ला कंपाइलो होना इल्ला कोन्नी करना बट स्वंदा तुम्ही इल्ला फाइल अभी चौदती नीना जेती दूसरा डेवलपर अभी चौदती उनका इल्ला कमेंट रहती आऊंगा विकिन यूजफुल करना है. It comes in best practices while we are developing something. So आम्ही कोण विकिनो उन्टा बुक चौदलेर हातोलो टक्केरी इल्ला विकिनो उन्टा आरा मार्ता इकिनो बुकुंती ही इल्ला लाइन नंबर रेफर करिगिनो उन्टा नोट्स तैली इल्ला क्वेश्चंस और इल्ला नोट्स अविकिन एगा कुछ मनी आमी नोट करी थोड़ा रेकी इल्ले मादरी आमी सातोल इल्ला गॉट 20 लाइन्स ऑफ फाइल्स कनर हाई एक्चुअल कन कोड करताल 500-600 लाइन्स हाई उन्टा फाइलम तर 500-600 लाइन्स काय कररिया का कुछ सेता मनरिया विकिनो डे 1 भी उन्टदना हरमंग करतल तेगा विकिन कमेंट्स रे you will be he'll feel better to understand comments in hina jeti avanga robotu istanganla. So tella purpose kochi every programming language will have a comment and a comment avikino konni programming computing execution portavarikin konni kanna but on the user friendly can user specific can on the comment add kanna mana tala marikirva kai kerariya kolla purpose ni avikino attagodi illa machariya when you come back you delete this manariya mani comment can add kelli me we can kelluwai ni on the reference notes then amana this notes kalna mana me comment use kellu illa we can single line comments ata on the line on the comment ko savai next line jigin to me guide print karati illa code kono khallai illa mamusi we can mo jugu comment likna ana tolu me multi line comment add kelluwai. So this is also a comment illa कोण did not कररी अमनती तुम्ही इंटरप्रेट करतोलु इल्ल 3 कॉलम अवत्तरू इल्ल भीतर सते पूरा विकिनु it will consider it as a comment. Any code inside this or any lines inside this is never interpreted or never executed the actual programming code. So ille is we can comment again. Yes, I think we are in the top of the hour. Illa basic egalantu sikate mam kaiti doubts kaiti seki clear kan seki.
Clear kan seda.
So I'm almost in 7:58 area. Illa mam tunga dusra kaiti doubts next class हम सब कायती क्वेश्चन से तला मारी से या कोंती कायती पुसना इल्ला कोना काय मनी कलल्ला मनती you are open to ask now. I'll stop recording.
I mean, try to